Easy Real English.
Hi, Mia.
Oh, hi, Rio.
Sorry to bother you.
No problem at all.
I have a question.
Sure. What is it?
I want to ask about transportation.
Okay. What do you want to know?
How do you go to work?
I usually walk.
You walk?
Yes, I walk every day.
Is your work near here?
Yes, it is very close.
How long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
That is not far.
No, it is not far.
Can I walk to places too?
Yes, many places are close.
That is good.
Where do you work?
I work in an office downtown.
Oh, downtown is farther.
Yes, I think so.
How far is it?
I am not sure.
Okay.
Can I walk there?
No, it is too far to walk.
I see.
Walking is good for short places only.
Then how can I go to work?
You can take the bus.
Is there a bus near here?
Yes, there is a bus stop nearby.
Where is it?
It is near the main road.
How far is the bus stop?
About 5 minutes on foot.
That is easy.
Yes, very easy.
Do you use the bus?
Sometimes, yes.
When do you use it?
When I am tired or late.
That makes sense.
The bus is cheap and simple.
How much does it cost?
It is not expensive.
Do I need a card?
Yes, you need a bus card.
Where can I get one?
You can buy it at the station.
Okay.
Or you can buy it at some shops.
That is helpful.
Do you know how to read the bus number?
Not really.
That is okay.
Is it difficult?
No, it is simple.
Good.
I can show you later.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What about taxis?
Yes, taxis are also easy.
Do you use taxis?
Yes, sometimes at night.
Are they safe?
Yes, they are safe here.
Are they expensive?
They cost more than the bus.
I see.
but they are faster.
That is good for late nights.
Yes, exactly.
Can I call a taxi on my phone?
Yes, you can use an app.
That is easy.
Very easy.
So I can walk, take the bus, or take a taxi.
Yes, those are the main ways.
How do most people go to work?
Many people take the bus.
And some people walk?
Yes, if their work is close.
Do people ride bikes?
Some people do.
Is it safe?
Yes, but only on small roads.
I understand.
For you, the bus is best.
Yes, I think so too.
It is simple and cheap.
Thank you for explaining.
No problem at all.
You are very helpful.
I'm happy to help.
If I have more questions, can I ask you?
Of course, anytime.
Thank you, Mia.
You're welcome, Rio.
See you later.
See you. Now, let's learn some useful sentences from the conversation. First sentence. Sorry to bother you. You say this when you need help and you know the other person may be busy. When you say, sorry to bother you, it means, I know you are busy, but I need to ask something. This sounds polite and respectful. You use it with people you do not know well, like your teacher, your coworker, or a stranger. Let's understand this with an example. You are on the street and lost your way. You see a person walking and you need help. You will say, sorry to bother you. Can you tell me the way to the station? It makes you sound polite and friendly. Second sentence. That makes sense. You say this when you understand something. Someone explains an idea. After you hear it, you feel it is easy to understand. When you say, that makes sense, it means, I understand you now, or this feels right to me. Let's understand this with an example. A friend is late. You ask why. Your friend says, there was a lot of traffic. Then you say, that makes sense. You can use this sentence when something is clear to you. It helps the other person know that you understand. That's all for today. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.